Hello everyone. Hi, how are you? This is Kei. So welcome back to my another live stream today. So today is the 23rd of June on Friday. So happy Friday everyone. I hope you're having a great Friday today. Okay, so let's screen the chart together and see what's happening right now. Okay. All right, and I already see some comments. Thanks for joining everyone. Good to see you. Michael, Oli, LW, Mad, Maniac, Derek Huang, John, Rain, Ayush, Faisal. All right, everyone, good to see you. So I posted the interview video the other day, and I hope you liked it. If you haven't seen it yet, it's here. Just come to this is my YouTube channel and click on the videos, and here it is. So I think it's inspiring to everyone, especially the risk management part. The importance of the risk management part was, I think, really inspirational. So if you haven't watched yet, please do. And also, I started to create some shorts recently. I created 3 shorts last week, and next week I'm thinking to create a few shorts also. So this is gonna be like a series. I will be posting the psychology shorts and Ichimoku basic shorts. So I will do one after another. So hopefully you can also enjoy these small like short videos. Just to you know just to fill the gap of the knowledge what you have on Ichimoku and also psychology part. And especially I post them on Instagram, and the link on the Instagram is actually on below description also. But yeah, feel free to enjoy some videos. Okay, so let's see. Thank you for joining everyone. Good to see you again. Okay, Glidel, good to see you. And Mustafa, thank you for joining. Appalachian, good to see you from Poland. Thank you for joining. Sagar, Kevin, Boring, good to see you. Alright, Danish, BB Gaming, also good to see you too. And James, thank you for joining as well. Great to see you again. Okay, so now let's start. Let me switch screen to TradingView. Okay, so did you see what happened today in USD? It was really a big move today. So first, let's review what happened at the news today from the currency strength chart. So let me refresh, let me open and share the strength chart right now. Just hold on. Still taking a bit long to load the page, so just hold on. Oh, looks like it's not working. This is strange. Can you open the strength chart now? The server is not working, I'm not sure. Yeah, looks like it's not working, but it's alright. We can also check the charts and see what happened. So USD, the pairs, Euro was, Euro has been bullish today, but USD was also bullish, and we had some spikes. This one Euro went down, Swiss franc went up, and USD JPY is still bullish to me. This is 4-hour chart, but let me check by the strength. The daily chart, daily time frame. Oh, it's working? Oh, it's working? Okay, that's strange. Maybe I will try later and see if it works. Let me try again now to see if it works. Let's see. Not sure. Still taking a bit long for me on my side to load, so I'm not sure. Yeah, but anyways, let's continue. So again, I'm seeing the USD JPY is bullish continuously, especially broke the major resistance level yesterday, 142.26, and now it's bullish. And what's more, the Kumo thickness is very nice. Kumo has been thick and long, so Kumo shape means a lot. Also, whenever you see the Kumo is thick and long like this, then this is stably bullish, especially after the breakout of that resistance. I think next week USD JPY continues to be bullish. And also, once it breaks, the target is great on this one. The next target is going to be at the top here. The swing high will be 148.88. So yeah, this is strongly bullish. So I have been thinking to buy USD JPY this week, but I still didn't capture. I haven't been able to capture the nice opportunity, so I haven't traded this one yet. But maybe some of you made some nice pips on USD JPY this week. So far this is up. So let me mark red. If you are trading, then you can keep holding as long as it goes. Especially after the breakout of that resistance, I think now it's bullish continuously. So that's the USD JPY. Let me first check the other JPY pairs, because JPY pairs has been bullish this week or last week. So yeah, let me see. So here is the Euro JPY. So Euro JPY is now bullish also, and this is near that resistance 156.93. If you zoom out, then hold on, I think there was a resistance area somewhere here. So technically the tip of the wick was here all the way back in 2008 in September. It's a long ago. So now the market may not really be reacted by that level this time, but it's always nice to keep in mind. So, but looks like it's still bullish. Kumo is bullish. As compared to USD JPY, Euro JPY Kumo is a bit thinner, so the market may be trace or may be spiky. But to me, this is continuously bullish. So now, as expected, the market went up to that target, again 156.93. So now I put up arrow above that resistance. And once it breaks, I would say the target is going to be on the next run number, which is 160. So now I put the horizontal line on 160 level. Okay, and let's see how it goes. So I keep my up arrow to that target now. And we have potential pips of from the resistance. The pips to the next run number 160 is 304 pips. So we have enough room to trade on Euro JPY. So yeah, this one is also nice. And let me also check the other JPY pairs. So here is a Pound JPY. So Pound JPY is also bullish. Now we have a nice pushback, and Kumo shape has been thick, and now the prices are above Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, Kumo, and the Chikou span above candles. So this is bullish continuously. So, and technically yesterday, the market broke the previous resistance from the 19th of June. So, and today is a pin bar. This is called pin bar. And pin bar means very tiny body and a long wick on one side. One side long wick and the other side very small wick, and this is called pin bar. So if the market breaks the pin bar bullish on Monday, then next week will also be bullish. So for now, I don't trade because I want to see how this candlestick will close. It will take another 6 hours and 48 minutes to close. So we never know. It may close with a bullish bar or it may close with a bearish bar. So we just have to just keep monitoring, and especially before closing the candlestick, we can't really create the scenarios. But again, if it closes like this as a pin bar, then we have a great chance to buy next Monday or Tuesday. If it breaks Monday, then next Tuesday, I think we're gonna have another nice uptrend. So I like this new N wave, just formed yesterday, and also this pin bar combination. And plus Kumo thickness is fine, not too thin. So yeah, pound JPY is also looking good. Okay, and also let me see. Another one is the AUD/JPY. Okay, AUD/JPY is now retracing and it's breaking the Tenkan-sen. So this pair is no more bullish to me. Yeah, this is going bearish this week. So I don't mark AUD/JPY today. So I was waiting for the market to break the resistance, or to the resistance was the target. But since it's retracing, I think I will just take out the arrow and just focus on other pairs. And also if we check the candlesticks patterns, then today it's bearish, broke the blue Tenkan-sen, and then it's coming down to the previous resistance from the October last year, 95.73. So the previous resistance might become support today. So Monday could be bullish still. But once the market breaks 95.73 level, then I think the market continues to be bearish to the Tenkan-sen. But since JPY has been weak these days, unless AUD gets weaker, I don't think the market will go down. The market won't go down. So yeah, in that sense, AUD/JPY may range. Yeah, but we'll see. So for now, AUD/JPY is no more good pair to me. So I think I will focus on other pairs to trade. And another JPY pair is CAD/JPY. Yeah, CAD/JPY has been bullish still. As expected, the market is continuously bullish. I put this up arrow a couple of days ago, and now it's going towards my direction. And the price is above Tenkan Kijun-sen, Kumo, Chikou span above candles. So the market is continuously moving up to the target, which is 110.48. And we still have 150 pips to trade. So CAD/JPY is also good. We can continue to look for the new buying entries. And Kumo is not too thin. Ever since it's twisted, right before it twisted, the Kumo was very flat and small. But then as the momentum goes, the Kumo getting thicker and bigger. So this is also stable uptrend. So I don't think that this is overbought. I think the market most likely reaches to the next target. So yeah, CAD/JPY is also bullish to me, and it has been supported by the trend line. But since the 1st of June, the market never touched the trend line. But looks like instead it has been supported by the Tenkan-sen after the last bounce of the trend line. It has been supported by the Tenkan-sen, so Tenkan-sen may be the new bounce areas. So yeah, again, CAD-JPY is bullish to me. So that's also good. And finally, Swiss franc JPY is also bullish. Also as expected, the market has broke the resistance and now it's bullish. So let's talk about the target. If I just zoom out on the weekly time frame, the weekly high, the tip of the wick was here on 158.40, but it broke this week. So this is all-time high looks like. Swiss franc JPY is marking the all-time high now. So this is where the market started. You see the dinosaur. And then this market has been around since 1973. But Swiss franc JPY is now reaching all-time high. So Swiss franc has been very strong. Very, very strong. Now in that case, the next target is the run number. So right now the price is on 160.10. This is breaking the psychological number 160. So next targets are 161 or 162. So for now, this is bullish and Kumo is a bit thin. So the market may retrace, but let me just set the target as 162 pips. Sorry, 162 level. I think that will be an ideal, but also realistic target. 162.00. So yeah, this market is continuously bullish. Again, Kumo shape is thin. So once the market touches 162, then it may retrace. But we have a room of around 200 pips. Around 200 pips to trade. So Swiss franc JPY also looks good. So here's a daily chart. Daily chart Kumo is okay. This is not too thin, unlike the weekly. So I think it continues to be bullish to 162 level. So yeah. This one is also very nice. I mark Swiss franc JPY also. So like this, still JPY pairs are bullish. So let's continue to monitor and continue to look for some more opportunities on these pairs. So now let me also check the USD pairs. So here is the Euro USD. So today it's sold. And then it's going into Kumo. So whenever the price goes into Kumo, it tends to be very choppy and tricky. So Euro USD, I don't feel comfortable to trade. I can't sell because this is gonna be very spiky. So I think more than this, I think JPY pairs are more tradable to me. And let's see, Euro AUD is bullish this week, but dailies are all range flat, and it has been resisted by the trend line, descending trend line. So just watch out. This time it may be resisted, and next week may be bearish. Regarding Ichimoku, Senko span A is now retracing. So Senko span A is retracing, and Tenkan-sen, the blue Tenkan-sen is bullish. So this simply means that the market is bullish in the short term. However, in the long term, mid term, it's flat range. So flat range in Ichimoku means the buyers and sellers are in 50-50 level. Because Ichimoku is all about the equilibrium in the market. Ichimoku tries to look at exactly how the market participants are, buyers and sellers, among short term and mid term and long term. And looks like now in the short term it's bullish because Tenkan-sen is now up but long to mid-term it's flat. So that means in the long to mid-term participants, in buyers and sellers are 50-50. So it may retrace, it may range, we're not really sure. This is getting very difficult to read the market. Yeah, and so again, it may be resisted by the Kumo and the trend line, and next week may be bearish, but we'll see. If it breaks the trend line Kumo bullish, then the target, it will be the next resistance, I think, maybe 1.6522 area. But even so, I think the market will be very choppy. And also, we never know how long it takes for this market to reach here, 1.6515. It may not reach 1 day, 2 days. It may take 1 week or a couple of weeks or 1 month or so, because overall this is range. Yeah, let's check some other markets. Euro Pound is now range also. It broke the trend line. I was waiting for the prices to be resisted by the trend line and goes down this way, and that's why I put down arrow. But this week it broke the trend line, so I will delete all these analysis, because the momentum is now flat range. So technically the price is below Kijun Sen Kumo, so this is bearish. This is bearish, but yeah, it may take time to break that support. So I will just draw the support level 0.8518 and most likely wait for the breakout of the support. So again, I put down arrow below the support so that we can remember that will be the trade scenario. If I put the arrow below the line, that means I wait for the breakout. If I put the arrow through the support resistance levels, this means I still trade right now and expect the market breaks the resistance and the support. So in this case, I put arrow below the support so that we know I'm waiting for the breakout to sell. Euro CAD is also ranging now. This is still bearish, but I think better to wait for the breakout of the support also. So I put down arrow below the support like this. Yeah, I think the markets are today, this week, the markets were a bit choppy and tricky than last week. Yeah, JPY/USD is also retracing, but to me this is also still bullish. This time the market is now retracing, but it may be supported by the previous resistance level around 1.2698, then goes up. And also it has been supported by the Tenkan-sen too, the blue Tenkan-sen. So Tenkan-sen is now getting closer to the horizontal support line. So this next week may be bullish again. So that's pound USD. So I will keep my up arrow like this. And if it will be a potential new N wave, then I buy and expect the market breaks that resistance and goes and take that pips. So this is, I think, my expectation for pound USD. Let's see. Okay, let me check some other markets. Oh, AUD/CAD is down today. Okay, because of the weak AUD and strong CAD. So this week, AUD/CAD has been bearish, and now it's going to the support of 0.8781 or 82. So there's no previous supports. So yeah, I think simply that's the target. And now in this case, I wait for the breakout. So I put down arrow below the support because of the Kumo shape. We have to wait for the breakout. Tenkan Sen is also above Kijun Sen, so basically this is range. Again, in terms of range, definition of Ichimoku means buyers and sellers are 50-50 level. So if it's 50-50, then sellers are here, but also buyers are waiting to buy near the support or below the support. Buyers are waiting to buy in this area. And since now it's 50-50, power balance, equilibrium, if the market goes into this area and buyers buy the market and it goes up like this. But if sellers are stronger, more powerful than buyers, then even buyers may be here. If you see Kumo thick and big, then it tends to go through and take the buyer's stop losses, and it just breaks the support and goes like this. So this is the logic behind of Ichimoku and how I expect the breakout. Like previously here, there was a support level on 0.8944. So if you are in a market like this, for example, like this. Oh yeah, this is still 50-50, sorry. This is still 50-50. You see Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, Chikou span touching. So in this case, I don't expect the breakout. Even if it breaks, it may be fake. Because again, it's 50-50 between buyers and sellers. So it breaks once, but then it's just coming back up very quickly. And then after this, now this is bearish because the Kumo shape is now getting thicker and bigger. It's going down. And also Tenkan Sen is now pointing down. And Chikou span below candles. So this is called the Chikou span breakout. And Chikou span breakout means the sellers are dominant over buyers. So in this case, to me, this is a real breakout, not the previous one, because again, previous breakout was still the Chikou span was touching. Chikou span was very close. So I would have to wait for next candlestick to confirm the Chikou span breakout, most likely. But here in this case, now Chikou span break is more clear. And the Kumo has been bearish, Tenkan Sen down. So I expect the breakout and goes. And even if I don't trade right now, I can wait for a few days, one day, then Kumo down, Kijun Sen down, everything becomes down. So I sell here. I look for the selling opportunity and expect the markets to go down to the next target. So this is an example where I don't trade because, again, the power balance of buyers and sellers are 50-50. That's usually when the market doesn't break the major resistance or support. But yeah, that's how I see the market. But anyways, so the market is going down, but the Kumo is not twisted yet. Tenkan Sen above the Kijun Sen. So sellers are only for the short term, and sellers in the mid to long term are not here, only short term. So I think buyers may win the market and the market may go up from here. So yeah, I don't sell right now. I don't sell and I don't expect the breakout in this case. But you know, if it does, if it breaks the support, then I follow, of course. But in this case, I think it's a bit risky to trade to sell because of the Ichimoku reason. So that was AUD CAD. Let me see. Yeah, so ADJPY is now retracing. Yeah, I think markets are a bit tricky. So I think still JPY pairs are looking great to me. Again, Euro JPY still looks good. It's bullish. So next week, I'm expecting the market to break that new resistance and goes up. And the USD JPY is also bullish. Today, it broke the resistance and now it's going up. And the Pound JPY is also breaking the new resistance and going up right now. And CAD JPY is also bullish. Target is 110.48. And Swiss franc JPY is also bullish. Target is 162 level. Now this is all-time high, the Swiss franc JPY. So yeah, this is my analysis on these Forex pairs. So now let me also check some more pairs, some other markets. Let's have a look at gold, XAUUSD. Okay, so gold is breaking the support and now it's going down. So yeah, this is bearish. I follow downtrend. So in this case, I will delete the upper row. I delete the resistance and my view is now bearish. If I see selling opportunity, I take sell. So yeah, XAUSD is now bearish. Okay, so and then WTI. Okay, let me check WTI also. WTI, this is still range, no direction. So yeah, it's really still flat. And this is called the box range. The resistances, I mean these two resistances, and the supports are at the same level. So this is called box range in Ichimoku. So I think the market continues to go up and down through the Kijun Sen as a mid price until it breaks either direction. So now this is very difficult trade, WTI. Okay, so yeah, let me check some other markets. Okay, Nasdaq. Yeah, Nasdaq is, let me see, today. Oh, today it's reached the target 152.2, sorry, 15,284, and now it's bullish. Yeah, now it's bullish. Okay, target is 16,000. So yeah, this is bullish, clearly. You can continue to follow bullish. And the Kumo shape is not too thin on the daily, so I think this is okay. Oh, I think we have to refresh. Sorry, I think this is not loaded. I was watching the market on the 16th of June, sorry. Okay. I will take another US100. Okay, here we go. Oh, so looks like I think this is very nice to compare. So my analysis was, if it breaks that resistance, and that's bullish, and it was bullish still, but after the 16th of June this month, now it has been bearish. Yeah, so and also it broke the Tenkan Sen. It is breaking the Tenkan Sen, so this may not be the best timing to buy. We have to wait for, I would wait for the breakout of this doji, the previous doji, 15,135 breakout, then follow new uptrend. The Kumo shape still looks very good. So that means buyers are winning and holding, and more buyers coming into the markets. That's good. And the price is above the Kijun Sen, so it's also bullish in the midterm. So it's only the short term that's bearish. So we can still expect the market goes up this way. So yeah, I think the bottom line is to wait for the doji candlestick which appeared on the 20th of June, 4 days ago, then buy and hold for a longer term. Yeah, so that's the Nasdaq. Okay, let me check Dow Jones also. Dow Jones, I said it's bullish, but today is retracing. Yesterday broke the resistances, but this is like the resistance area. So many wicks in this area. So you broke the P wave. This is a confirmation of the new uptrend. But now, still the market looks very spiky. And also, Kumo shape is really thin and small. The Kumo shape is very small, so the market may retrace. This may be a fake breakout. And then also, S&P is not bullish still. S&P 500 looks the best so far. This is bullish, and target is 4640.7. Yeah, so that's my comment on this one. And also, let me check the BTCUSD. So here's Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not bullish, and it broke the trend line very strongly this week, and now it's reaching the resistance, 30,000. So in this case, we have to wait for the breakout if you want to buy, because Kumo shape is still too flat, and we have an inside bar structure. So we have to wait for the breakout and buy. Usually when there's a big candlestick like this and inside, then the market consolidates for a while until it finds the new direction. So that's my feeling. But this is crypto, so I'm not sure. One day it may break like this and just goes. So yeah, as far as my technical analysis, I would wait for the breakout of the inside to follow uptrend. So that's my analysis on BTCUSD. So looks like so far Euro JPY, USD JPY looks the best. Pound JPY also looks good. CAD is also good. Yeah, so I would say USD JPY and Pound JPY and CAD JPY. These pairs are looking very good so far. Okay, so that's my analysis for today. So let me just check some comments. Again, thank you very much for joining. Great to see you here. Happy Friday to everyone. Okay, let's see. Oh, why there are no subtitles? Because today this is live stream, so you don't have subtitles. If that's a video, then you have. But after ending the live stream today, in few days, there will be a subtitle automatically. So you can come back maybe tomorrow or the day after and check the archive. Okay. Yes, I will be talking about BNF also. In conversation between BNF and CIS. It's also very interesting. Their conversation was posted on what we call 2 channel, which is like a Reddit in Japanese version. But those are now it's froze, so we can't really see that. But I have the information, so I will make a video about that one. Okay, Reza says, based on KTS, if higher time frames bullish and see Sanyaku Koten in middle time frame and need confirmation in lower time frame for enter, or Sanyaku Koten signal is enough to enter trades. You can enter trade with the Sanyaku Koten signal too. That's fine. Yeah, but you have to do the risk management. As long as you know when to exit if the market goes against you, then that's fine. Okay. Doji pin bar, reverse pin bar. Yeah, that's simple. Pin bar simply means the tiny body and a long wick on one side. That's called pin bar. Doji means tiny body and wicks are up and down. So for example, if I see this market, this is a doji. This one is a pin bar. This one is doji. This one is also doji. This one is also doji. You see the wicks are around about the same and tiny body. This one is also doji. This is doji. And this one is also doji, I would say. So doji pin bar, this is just a name, but you just have to remember the logics behind. Whenever you see doji pin bar, you wait for the breakout towards either direction to follow the new direction. That's basically the rule. Okay. Is it rare to find stochastic divergence? Yeah, it's rare. Yes, it's rare. But once you find it, then that's a great confirmation. So if you find stochastic divergence, then that's like a bonus. Type Jack says, is the Forex market the best market to trade with Ichimoku? I think the best market to trade with Ichimoku is the stock market index. Because Ichimoku was originally created to trade those markets. But you can still apply Ichimoku in Forex and trade, like I do. Okay, sold AUD/USD today. Okay, AUD/USD is, oh yeah, now it's bearish. But daily is still flat. It's touching Kijun Sen. So whenever it goes against you, I recommend you to cut the loss, cut the exit, small profit, earlier timing. Okay, John says, I traded the CAD/JPY yesterday and exited with profit. That's great. It's great. Today I traded it again and see how it would be when a pair is consolidating, reach the stop loss. Okay. It becomes tricky. Yeah, it becomes very tricky. But CAD/JPY looks very good to me today. We have a pin bar, but this is still bullish. So I would still continue to look for some new opportunities to buy on this one. Yeah. Han says, could I have buy USD/JPY now? USD/JPY, yeah, you can buy now and put the stop loss below the Tenkan Sen, I would say, or below the pushback 151.12. If you only use the daily time frame, so that will be the strategy. Yeah, USD/JPY, the target is really wide, so it's we have a room of now 530 pips or so to trade. So this is really nice. But I say that's target, but I don't say TP. This is my psychological target. So of course, if the market doesn't reach, usually you won't reach straight. If the market reverse, I exit, take profit. And if the market starts to go again, I enter trade again. And I exit some way. And I repeat these trades until the market reaches 148.88. So that's what I mean by the target. So the definition of target of mine is a bit different, I think, from others. Until the market reaches 148.88, I continue to look for the buying opportunities. Of course, the price have to be above the Kijun Sen Kumo, and Chikou span also has to be above the candles. Then I continue to look for buying opportunities on this one. Yeah, so in that sense, this is good. USD/JPY is still bullish. Okay. Yeah, Dark says, which indicator is better for divergence with Ichimoku? Ultimate Oscillator or RSI or swing trading? I am not really sure about ultimate oscillator or swing trading, but and I don't really use any other indicators with Ichimoku, so I'm not really sure. I used to use RSI or MACD. I think I was using MACD with Ichimoku, but I was losing, so I can't recommend. Yeah, now I'm only using Ichimoku in higher time frames. Yeah. Okay, good to see you. Yeah, Swiss franc JPY is now bullish. Looks like it's breaking the new high and targets to 162.0. So yeah, Swiss franc JPY is also looking very good. Yeah, it's looking great. Yeah. Okay, Type Jack says also are the JPY pairs and futures better to trade with Ichimoku than other non-JPY pairs and futures? I don't think so. You can still take trades in other non-JPY pairs and futures too with Ichimoku. So I do trade on these pairs on my watch list, and it has been working for me. So yeah, I still use them for sure. Yeah. Okay. Dexter says, do you do Euro USD? Euro USD is now range, so I don't trade. Now this is going into Kumo, so becomes very spiky, I think. Pauline says, do you look for reversals and set stops in the 5 minutes? Yes, I do. Yeah, I do look at the 5 minutes for my precise entries and exits. Yes. Prince says, hello sir, how often do you do live? Thank you for analysis. Oh, you're welcome. I do live streams not every day because of my schedule, but I would say at least twice. I do 2 times to 4 times. I do live streams every week. It starts at 2 p.m. UTC. So whenever you get the notification and whenever you are available, then feel free to join on future lives. Okay. Yeah, Type Jack, you're welcome. LW, you're welcome too. How far back do you take the gold cross, dead cross? More than an hour. I don't go by like how long, but when I see the cross and if the lines are still towards my direction, I still use it. Okay, Porin says, when looking at the Bollinger Bands in 5 minutes, when do you decide that the market is reversing? Can you show an example? Yeah, M5, when you have, for example, like a reversing wave on M5, not only one, maybe consecutive reversing waves, then that's a confirmation of the reverse. But I also do use the indicators to capture the reversals. So yeah, there are some ways to capture, but I follow the major direction. Major direction means to me that's daily and 4-hour time frames direction. Okay, so alright, so looks like now it's time to finish live. Okay, so again, thank you very much for joining today and happy Friday everyone. So after this, in about 10 minutes, there will be a KTS Academy, and today, let's see, topic is going to be, hold on, let me see. I have different topics every time I do the live stream. Okay, yeah, so I think I can just share screen. So to those who are KTS Academy members and also GTS members and graduates, Today I will be talking about today's the 23rd trading profit strategy. Yeah, so I will be talking about the trading profit strategy. So I will see you there in about 10 minutes. And to those who join public live stream, I will see you on the next one. So yeah, either way, I hope you have a great Friday, great weekend ahead. And until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Alright, bye for now everyone. またね, thank you very much.